Sometimes you need to upgrade once in a while, but not breaking the bank. So instead of ripping my wallet apart, I got this mic from Hollyland. This is the Hollyland Lark M1. And let's check it out. The Hollyland Lark M1 is a compact and versatile wireless lavalier microphone system that's perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and content creators. It offers excellent audio quality with smart noise cancellation, ensuring clear and crisp sound, even in noisy environments. The system includes a charging case that doubles as a storage unit, making it convenient for on-the-go use. With its broad compatibility, the Lark M1 works seamlessly with various devices including smartphones, cameras, and computers. The Lark M1 is also lightweight and easy to carry, so pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. Sobrang gaan lang talaga niya. And I like about this is the noise reduction. Meron siyang built-in noise reduction na makakasiguro ka na maganda yung boses mo at hindi maririnig yung bunganga ng kapitbahay. And also, yung battery life niya, it is really nice. At pwede mo pa siyang i-charge sa charging case niya pag di mo na siya ginagamit. So overall, the Hollyland Lark M1 is very reliable and efficient wireless microphone. And it is a great addition to your gear. So the Lark M1 is truly a game changer. Especially yung price niya, hindi siya ganun kamahal. And I got this for like 2,000 plus something, 2,500. And compared sa ibang competitive brands, this is half the price for the performance. So kung nagustuhan mo tong video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers!